The Trim Entities tool is mainly used for removing the unwanted parts or portions from your design sketch. Here I have just drawn a 2D sketch, and to activate the Trim Entities, select the Trim Entities from the Command Manager. And here I have a list of options which is available for the trim, and the first thing I'm going to explain is the power trim. And I have selected the power trim, and what you have to do is just drag it like this, and I'm going to drag the unwanted portions in my sketch. And the next type of trim is called the corner trim, and again I'm going to select the trim entities, and this time I'm going to explain the corner trim. This corner trim is mainly used for removing the unwanted parts from the corner and make it a fine corner. So these are my two corners here, and I'm going to select the area which I want to keep, and the other portion will be trimmed easily using the corner trim. In the corner trim, what you have to do is just select the portions which you want to keep. So I want to keep these two lines here, and the remaining portions will be trimmed. And the third type I'm going to explain is the trim away inside. If you want to remove the sketch inside these entities, this tool is very useful. So I have to define the boundary line. So the first thing what I have to define is the two boundary lines. So these two lines are going to be my boundary lines, and these are the entities which are inside my boundary lines. So first let me select the two boundary lines. So I'm going to select this line and my second boundary line, and these are the regions which are present inside the boundary line. If I just select this, it will be trimmed, that is, the portions which are inside the boundary lines are trimmed easily by using the trim away inside tool. So the next tool is the trim away outside tool. So this tool trims the outside portions of the boundary line. So again I'm going to select these two boundary lines, and I'm going to select the entities here, and now you see that the portions outside the boundary line gets trimmed easily by using the trim away outside. And the final option of the trim entities is the trim to closest. It helps to remove the closest entity from the intersecting lines or sketch. What you have to do is just select this line, and the unwanted portion gets trimmed by using this trim to closest command. And the next command is the extend entities, and here I have drawn some sketch here, and to activate the extend entities from the drop down list of the trim entities, select the extend entities, and I'm going to extend these three lines here. What you have to do is just select this line. I'm going to select this line and the third line as well, and this line will extend up to the nearest geometry entity.